snow to the kitchen, pour myself a cup of ambition, yawning, stretching, try to come to life. Jump in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the street, the traffic starts jumping. Folks like me on the job from 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. They just use your mind and they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5 for service and devotion. You would think that I would deserve that promotion. Want to move ahead, but the boss won't seem to let me. I swear sometimes the man is out to get me. A little bit she used to watch him shadow, just a step from the boss man.